How to add a cloud in Adobe Acrobat. Start by opening your PDF in the Adobe Acrobat app. Make sure your document is ready for editing. Click on See All Tools at top, then select Comment from the list of tools. In the app version, you will have several drawing tools, but the Cloud tool is one of the available options. Click on the Cloud tool from the drawing options. Then click and drag to create a cloud shape in your PDF. Adjust the size by dragging the corners. You can also adjust the color and thickness of the cloud's outline to fit your needs. You can even fill the color inside the cloud. And that's how you add a cloud shape in the app version. Remember that adding shapes is not available in the web version. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Comment below on what tutorial you need next. See you in the next one.